non-conventional new age careers coming forward. Shrikant, what do you have to say?
Point, Surabhi. Should they go for non-conventional careers or jobs? I would consider them or categorize them more into the gig economy jobs. Okay, so these gig economy jobs, they don't have a specific, exact role, responsibility, or exact skill set and all. They're more like fast evolving, and your digital marketing, your YouTube marketing, your TikTok videos, and from there, that is content generation, is what I'm referring to. So you can quickly generate the content. Yes, this is what even the big brands do. They want people who can manage their social channels, their brand presence across, globally. So I think all these jobs, they're all like micro MBA programs. Either you do it by yourself, like a pocket money entrepreneur is what I call. Spend like 5,000 to 10,000 or 25,000 from your pocket, kick off a business. Even if you're making 50K on that, yes, you're a profitable businessman. I did that. I can give my own story. When I was in my BTech first year, 2000, 2001, I kicked off a bookstore just for the undergrad and graduate books, not the regular notebooks and all, just for those subject oriented books and all. I never had an MBA or an entrepreneurship framework then. It was just out of passion. I had to travel 1.5 hour one way. It's almost 3 hours, two way to go and even get a small book, from my place. And I know that there are so many, almost every household is having an engineer because of the fascination what Vivek was mentioning. Every household had an engineer then, and it just sparked, and we just experimented. We didn't do much analysis paralysis then. It was just like at the age of 18 we kicked it off, and it worked. And whatever I learned there was in an unstructured manner. And when the same thing, when I moved to industry, and then when I went to Stanford, for all those entrepreneurial studies, these were the real frameworks, the problem solving that I did and with my friends then really helped me correlate to what the real entrepreneurship is. What is supply chain? What is the logistics that we're referring to? What is the value chain? Why we need marketing in place. We even climbed trees in those days to actually tie those banners. This was back in 2000. Today you don't need that. You need digital banners today, digital, your web presence, whatever you do. Yes, but you learn by doing. You learn only by doing, and these frameworks will eventually tomorrow when you want to change your when somebody wants to change their career line, all these the insights, the knowledge that we gain here, this is portable. You're not leaving it there. No, this is portable. So getting involved in these gig economy jobs or the unconventional workplaces, like we refer to these hackathons. I encourage them, students to participate in internships, hackathons, boot camps, volunteership. Go and work with police. Help them solve the problems. You will understand what a society is. Be part of the system. Think out of the box, and come up with the solutions. Then it makes more sense. Then we will understand. Okay, this is why I'm learning mathematics, or this is why I'm learning physics, or all your engineering concepts, or supply chain. And all the entrepreneurial frameworks, the management frameworks, the technological frameworks, all these put together, yes, we are applying it somewhere. And with these jobs, which Surabhi was referring to, you will definitely get a gist of what it is. And as you, mature, as you actually move forward in your life, personal, professional, and social life, right? They are portable and they evolve with you. They're going to help you. And qualifications, formal qualifications and all, yes, they help, people get, complete frameworks and understand, okay, where all they are applied through the case studies and where you can apply in the future. But yes, getting into such kind of jobs or activities or problem solving, what I refer to always, getting into problem solving exercises at whatever scope. You want to start up something, don't worry about the failure. The knowledge that you're gaining from the real world, the world is our school. And then any campus, yes, they're like the subsets of the real world, right? So I don't think, we'll have to think more on that. Get into any kind of a job and you learn a lot from there while you're at school or college. Go volunteer. You don't have to worry about who will pay you, who will not pay you. Yeah, go and offer, your time for volunteership, and you'll see the results. What you gain from those experiences is something which you can't get even if you're paying 100,000 or a 1 crore fee, even in the top-notch institution in the world. Yes, I bet on that.
Sure. So Shrikant, I really appreciate bringing that insight. So Shrikant has been saying, if I have to summarize, that these new age conventional jobs are amazing. Don't even think about starting. The way he took his example, they will teach you risk-taking ability, some new economy skills. They will teach you some money-making skills, and as you keep growing, as you keep evolving, these skills will be even transferable. You can transfer them, and you can move ahead to higher degrees in terms of evolution, in terms of education, but not degrees per se. Degree makes a lot of sense. This was very insightful personally, even for me.